Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to connect computer with mobile hotspot. So first of all, you're going to click on your Windows at the bottom left corner and you're going to click right here, the settings, and you're going to see the settings of your Windows, right? And you're going to select, let me just go back home to show you. And you're going to see where here, this is the settings. Click on the network and internet. So after you click on it, basically what you're going to do, you're going to just click right here, the mobile hotspot. And basically you gotta make sure that you toggle this one on. All right, and what you're gonna do next, you're gonna see that right here, the network name and the network password. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go to your iPhone and go to the settings and then go to the Wi-Fi, and you're gonna see the desktop name and password in your phone. And then basically you're gonna simply enter the password of that laptop network. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.